working here?
I don't know. Who just turned 2 months today? Dad, you're in the shadow.
So what?
And he's already trying to roll over. What the heck? Where's my baby? He's not a baby anymore. Oh my gosh, is he gonna roll over? Holy. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Go, Papa. He likes the zebra print. He must be related to his Auntie Amy with the zebra print.
Must be those sweet loafers he's wearing.
Or maybe the sweet loafers. Somebody's about to roll over, huh, Papa?
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
He's like scratching your face.
Is he?
Scratch your face, buddy.
Go, Papa. Go, Papa. Oh my gosh, this kid. Oh my god. Go, Papa. Kick your leg. Looks like you're gonna do everything fast, not like your sister. Your sister.
Only 2 months, boy. You better slow down.
Your sister took a year to roll over and to crawl and to walk. Well, we can't even say she's walking yet. Say hi. Say hi, Grammy. Hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandmother. Hi, Papa. My goodness. Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. I know. I need to trim his nails tonight. Say hello. Say hello, family.
The belly on that boy.
I know. Who looks just like their dad? I mean, not the belly. Alrighty. Say bye, everybody. We'll see you later.